Hello everyone, so in this video, let us talk about another easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is defanging an IP address. It's a very simple problem and I just thought that it has a lot of number of likes, so I thought to make it's very simple. Uh, so let's talk about the problem statement first. It states that you're given a valid IPv4 IP address. You have to return a defanged version of that IP address. Now, what is defanged IP address means? A defanged IP address replaces every period, that is dot, with a hard bracket and a dot. Hard bracket and a dot inside it. So let's take some example. As you can see here, that we have an address which is 1.1.1.1, and you have converted into defanged version in which every dot is replaced with this particular annotation, and that's the new output string. So pretty much simple. You just have to iterate over the complete address. Wherever you find out a dot, replace it with like hard bracket and a dot inside. That is the defined version of it. Nothing much. Any explanation is required here. So in the C++ version, as you can see in the code part, we have this code. What we have done is that we have created another string that is defanged string in which we'll create the new answer. So we'll iterate over the actual address, which is a string, and for every character, because it's a string, so it has a string is like a combination of different characters. So for every character that is a non-period, which means that it is a integer, we'll directly append it inside the string, the actual defined string. But if it is not a period, we'll insert this. Let's take a small example just for more clarity of thought. Let's bring down the whiteboard here. So let's take the example of 1.1.1.1. Now what you'll do is that you will take a pointer, a for loop, iterate over all the particular string one by one. So these are different characters. This is a string like this. Now what you'll do is this is the answer or defanged string. Let's take it defanged only. The defanged string is what you can see is that when I do a for loop over the original string, which is like this string, original string, this is the address, original string. What we'll do is that if it is a non-period, this is the period. If it is non-period, like when we are doing a for loop, it is when we encountered one, I will directly just append it inside the string. But whenever I find out a period, I will find out this one, find out a period, and so on. So that is how the complete string will be formed. Just doing a for loop and just inserting, depending on if it is not a period, insert the same whatever numbers it has. If it is a period, insert this, and that's it. That's the complete logic. Nothing much complicated. It's very simple. But if you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box of this particular video. I'll see you in the next coding, and bye.